In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe with Xero. If you want your customers to pay invoices by card or digital wallet directly from your Xero invoices, connecting Stripe is the easiest way to make that happen. This setup adds a Pay Now button to your invoices, speeds up collections, and helps Xero match incoming payments to the right invoices for smoother reconciliation. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Xero organization and that your user role allows you to change invoice payment settings. It also helps to have your basic Stripe business details handy in case you're prompted to review them during the connection. Start from your Xero dashboard. Open the menu by clicking your company name. This drops you into the organization level controls you'll use to set up payment options. Next, choose Settings. This is where Xero keeps all the preferences that affect invoices, payments, and how your customers settle what they owe. Inside Settings, select Online Payments. Think of this as your hub for turning on payment services that appear on your invoices. Now click Add a new service. Xero will show you the available payment providers that can be linked to your account. From here, choose Setup Cards and Digital Wallets. This path is designed for accepting major credit and debit cards, as well as popular wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay through Stripe. Then select Get Set Up with Stripe. Xero will guide you through a secure connection flow. Depending on your situation, you'll either sign in to an existing Stripe account or walk through a quick setup to create or confirm your account details. During this process, you may see prompts to verify your business information, confirm where payouts should go, and agree to Stripe's terms and fees. Follow the on-screen guidance until Stripe confirms the connection and returns you to Xero. After the link is established, Xero will display Stripe as an active payment service for your organization. New invoices that use a compatible branding theme will automatically show a Pay Now button, allowing customers to pay by card or wallet in just a few clicks. Payments processed via Stripe will be recorded back in Xero, which helps reduce manual data entry and speeds up bank reconciliation. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If your Xero layout looks a little different, use the search bar in Settings to find online payments. And if you operate in multiple currencies or regions, review your Stripe settings to make sure everything aligns with your billing and payout preferences. That's all there is to it. You've connected Stripe with Xero and set yourself up to get paid faster.